Your eyes are your window to the world, yet most of us never think about training them. Just like any other part of your body, your eyes have muscles that can be strengthened and relaxed through simple exercises. These movements can help relieve strain, sharpen focus, and keep your vision clear. The best part is that you can do them all in less than 10 minutes, anywhere and anytime, even while watching this video. So sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's get started. Exercise 1. The blinking recharge. Blinking may seem ordinary, but it's actually one of the best ways to refresh your eyes. Every time you blink, you lubricate the surface of your eyes, clean away small particles, and give them a short break from light exposure. People who spend long hours on phones or computers blink much less than they should, which can lead to dryness, irritation, and blurred vision. For this exercise, simply blink quickly and lightly for about 30 to 60 seconds without squeezing your eyelids. Keep your movements natural and relaxed. Doing this a few times a day will train your eyes to blink more frequently on their own, keeping them fresh and healthy. Exercise 2. Head rotations for circulation. Healthy blood flow is vital for good eyesight. To increase circulation around your eyes and brain, keep your gaze fixed straight ahead and slowly rotate your head in a circular motion. Move from right to left, then from up to down, while continuing to look straight ahead. Repeat this movement for 30 to 60 seconds. You'll notice your neck muscles relax, your shoulders loosen, and your eyes feel more awake. This simple motion encourages better oxygen flow to the eyes and helps reduce tension caused by sitting still for too long. Exercise 3. Side gaze focus. This exercise strengthens the muscles that control your lateral or side vision. Sit comfortably and look as far to your right as possible, without straining, while taking a slow, deep breath in. Then, exhale and move your gaze gently to the left. Continue this slow right-to-left movement for about 30 to 60 seconds. This helps your eyes adjust more smoothly when switching focus between objects on your sides. After finishing, close your eyes for a few seconds to let them relax before moving on to the next step. Exercise 4. The darkness reset. Sometimes the best thing you can do for your eyes is to simply close them. Darkness gives your photoreceptor cells, the light-sensitive parts of your eyes, a chance to rest and recover. Close your eyes completely, relax your eyelids, and take slow, deep breaths. Think about something peaceful or pleasant, like a favorite memory or a dream vacation. Keep your eyes closed for about 30 to 60 seconds. When you open them again, you'll feel a noticeable sense of relief and freshness. Exercise 5. multi-directional eye movement. This exercise improves all-around visual coordination and is great for both nearsightedness and farsightedness. Start by looking from right to left for 5 seconds, then look up and down for another 5. Next, move your eyes in a circular motion, first clockwise and then counterclockwise for 10 to 15 seconds. Finally, imagine drawing a large figure 8 in front of you using only your eyes. Take your time and move smoothly. These motions strengthen all the small muscles that control your eye movements and help your vision adjust faster between different distances. Especially useful if you spend a lot of time in front of screens. Exercise 6. Tighten and release. This quick exercise relaxes your eye muscles and boosts blood flow. Close your eyes tightly for 3 to 5 seconds, then open them wide. Repeat this about 7 times. You'll feel your eyes getting warmer and more relaxed as the blood circulates. It's a great mini break whenever your eyes feel tired or heavy during the day. Exercise 7. Gentle temple press. This exercise helps with the natural flow of fluids inside your eyes, reducing puffiness and pressure. Place your fingertips gently on your temples, that soft area just beside your eyes, and press lightly for 2 seconds before releasing. Repeat this 4 or 5 times. This gentle motion encourages proper fluid balance and feels soothing after long periods of reading, studying, or using digital devices. It's a small but effective way to give your eyes a quick energy boost. Exercise 8. Drawing with your gaze. Now, let's make things a little more fun. Keeping your head still, use your eyes to draw shapes in the air. Start with simple ones like a triangle, square, or circle. Then try more complex shapes like a rectangle, trapezium, or even a spiral. This creative exercise strengthens your eye muscles and improves coordination. It may feel a bit strange at first, but it's an excellent way to stretch your eye movements in all directions. Exercise 9. Eyeball. Lifts. Close your eyes gently and begin to move your eyeballs slowly upward, then downward without opening your eyelids. Continue this movement 5 to 10 times. Take your time and try to feel the muscles working beneath your eyelids. This motion helps improve the tone of the muscles around your eyes and keeps your ocular nerves active. It's especially helpful for those who spend hours looking down at their phones or computers. Exercise 10. Near and far focus. For this last exercise, you'll train your eyes to shift focus between near and distant objects. Sit comfortably and hold your thumb about 10 inches in front of your face. Focus on it for 10 to 15 seconds. Then, without moving your head, shift your gaze to something farther away. Maybe a picture on the wall or an object across the room. Hold your focus there for another 10 to 15 seconds. Afterward, return your gaze to your thumb. Repeat this cycle 5 times. This simple habit strengthens the ciliary muscles that control your lens focus, helping you see clearly at different distances and preventing eye fatigue. Bonus tip: eat for your eyes. Eye exercises can do wonders, but good nutrition is just as important. Healthy eyesight depends on the right nutrients. Include foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as zinc, lutein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Leafy greens, eggs, carrots, citrus fruits, and fish are all great choices. The less processed your food, the more nutrients it retains. A balanced diet helps your eyes stay strong, hydrated, and clear. And that's it. 10 simple exercises that can keep your eyes healthy, your vision sharp, and your mind relaxed. Try doing them every day for a week and see how your eyes feel. You might notice less strain, better focus, and even clearer sight. If these exercises helped you, let us know in the comments below. Which one felt the most relaxing for you? Share your experience. Your feedback might inspire someone else to start taking care of their eyes too. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss our next wellness guide. Take a few minutes every day to care for your eyes, because when your vision is clear, the world looks brighter. See you in the next video.